This is a secret of the used car market. But many people still don't know it. If your car has scratches or paint peeling, never go to an auto repair shop for repairs. Currently, experienced drivers can use this car scratch repair agent at home to solve various car paint scratch problems. It is very easy to use. Simply apply it evenly to the scratched area and repeatedly wipe it with a towel for 3 seconds to restore the car's smoothness. Afterwards, there will be no color difference. You don't need to find matching paint or car models. It can be restored immediately. We will ship it directly to you. Those who watch today's video will enjoy a discount.